Hello friend, my name is Paige and I am so excited today to just walk you through the premium starter kit. Maybe you are someone who just got your box of Young Living goodings, or maybe you're someone who's interested in learning more about the premium starter kit and Young Living and all that it has to offer. So the premium starter kit is this cute little box that you will get in the mail, and it is the gateway to a Young Living wholesale membership. So anytime someone gets started with Young Living, they get a wholesale membership just like you would get at Costco, and it just allows you to shop at 24% off all year long, which is so amazing to be able to get those discounted prices. You are never required to sell anything, you're never required to even order again after your starter kit, but you do get that 24% off all year long, which is really awesome. So I'm going to jump right in and share with you guys what's in the starter kit. So you get this little box, it comes in more packaging of course, and then you get a diffuser and all that, so I'm going to walk you through that. So first and foremost, you just open up this cute little box and you'll see your 10 oils. There's a hidden compartment under here that has your 11 oils. So I'm going to walk you through these different oils. So first and foremost, we have peppermint. I should note that the white ones represent vitality oils, meaning you can ingest them, they're safe for ingestion, and then these ones are just normal topical use or diffusing. Some of these also, like lavender and frankincense and citrus fresh, can be ingested because in the product guide you'll notice that they come as a vitality option as well, and there's no difference in the formulas. So they just, I think, to make the kit look cute, put 5 colored ones and 5 white ones, but white stands for vitality. So peppermint, to dive right in, is an amazing oil that I never leave my house without. It just smells so yummy. It's very refreshing, cooling, so you can make a mister spray with it and to cool your body off. I use it all the time for headache support. So what I do is I have a little roller bottle that I'll put some peppermint in with some fractionated coconut oil. I mix it with also Panaway and frankincense from the starter kit, and I just roll it right up here on my temples and down the back of my neck. Oh, it feels so amazing. It's also amazing to sniff when you're feeling nauseous. You can bake with it if you want to make some peppermint brownies, so peppermint's amazing. It's great also just for diffusing, and then I mix it with lemon and lavender for help with seasonal support, so seasonal allergies and stuff like that. So next up is lemon. Lemon is a great detoxifying oil, so I add it into my Hydro Flask every single time I fill it up, 2 drops into my water, just to help support my body's natural detox systems. It's also nature's Goo Gone, nature's natural Goo Gone. So with 3 little ones in my house, I'm using this all the time to get stickers off of my floors, or if you shop at TJ Maxx, you know those stickers never come off the picture frames. It's amazing. You just drop 2 drops right on, scrub it off, and that stickiness goes away. So it's great also for getting crayon marks, pen marks, stuff off of things, and then it smells really amazing and is a great thing to use for cleaning your home too. Next up is Digize. Digize is, as the name kind of says, represents for all things digestive. So bloating, stuff like that, you just rub a little bit on your tummy, or my favorite way to use it is I have just clear vegetable capsules. You can get them from Young Living, you can get them on Amazon, but you just put 3 to 4 drops right in there. If you're feeling any stomach discomfort, I pop it in. It has a blend of peppermint, fennel, some different things, and it just really is so soothing on the tummy. This really helps with my kiddos too if they're ever having digestive issues. I just put a little bit around their belly button with some fractionated coconut oil and let it do its job. Next up is Thieves, which is one of my all-time favorite oils. If you don't have Thieves in your home, you need Thieves in your home. It's for all things immune support. So I have another roller that says Immune on it. I rub this on my kids' feet and down their spine every single night and every single morning, and the difference that I've noticed in how much they're getting sick, the frequency of their sicknesses, is incredible. I love this also because having been pregnant or breastfeeding for such a long time, it's just a safe option and natural alternative to some different cold medicines, because as you know, you can't take that kind of stuff when you're pregnant. So we diffuse this all fall long to kill airborne bacteria and stuff like that. Thieves is also the base of all Young Living's cleaning and household products, and so it smells awesome. It has like cinnamon cloves, so it smells like fall, Christmas time. It just is so yummy. And you'll get a sample of the Thieves household cleaner in your starter kit. Actually, it's a concentrate, so you can actually use this to fill up almost 2 whole bottles of cleaner, which is awesome. This is the only cleaner that's under my kitchen sink. I use it to clean every surface in my home. It's amazing, completely non-toxic. if your kids get it in their mouth, they just like drink water. Like nothing bad is gonna happen to them, and that just gives me so much peace of mind. So that will come in your kit too, which is really exciting. But yes, Thieves is incredible. You want this in your home. Copaiba in our home is used for all the teething babies the most, I would say. I just put a drop or two on my finger, rub it on the baby's gums, and it really helps soothe them. And then also it's for helping support inflammation, so you can ingest it and in like a tea if you want to help support internal inflammation. I add it into a lot of my DIY face serums that I'm putting onto my skin just to help reduce inflammation. If someone gets an owie or anything like that, I had someone get a black eye the other day, and I just rubbed a little bit on because it was super swollen, and it's just going to help support that inflammation reduction. So Copaiba is awesome. It's also a natural kind of wellness oil, so like I said, you can use it in addition to Thieves if you're gonna make a tea, and that's a great combination. Okay, so now Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh smells amazing. It's just a combination of a bunch of different citrus oils. The most common thing that I use it for is diffusing. I also like to put it on my dryer balls. Anything that I want to smell yummy in my house, or just the air, I'm using it for that. It just, yeah, smells absolutely amazing. I make a lot of room sprays with Citrus Fresh also, and I just fill up my spray bottle with water, a little bit of witch hazel. The witch hazel helps it disperse a little bit into the water, and then just spritz my room if it's starting to smell yucky in any way, which with kids in diapers, I feel like I always need a room spray. Next up is Raven. Raven's awesome for all things respiratory support. So this is great to put a couple drops in your shower for an invigorating kind of like wake me up. Before you go on a run, rub some couple drops on your chest to open up those airways. My son struggles with croup, so this and another oil called RC are my all-time favorites if he's ever having any breathing issues or reaction in any negative way. This is always in the diffuser, and I dilute it heavily and put it on the bottoms of his feet, and it has been a lifesaver for my family. So Raven, all things respiratory. Panaway. Pain-Away, I kind of like to call them the same thing, because it's used kind of like a natural icy hot. If you have any sore muscles, it's great to support that after your workout. If your back's hurting from packing around kids, or just hurting from whatever, any muscles, this is great to rub on, and it smells really refreshing, just like icy hot. So I love Panaway. And then lavender. Lavender is known as the Swiss Army knife of all oils. It can be used for so many different things. It's amazing for calming and rest. So we put drops on our feet before bed. I also have a little roller that I put on my kids down their spine before nighttime. It's usually diffusing, and all of our diffusers at nighttime, we use it for all things skin too. So cuts, burns, scrapes, seasonal support. Lavender really can do the job with so many different things. So, and it smells just really awesome if you want to make linen sprays. It's just such a relaxing scent. And then lastly, the one that come in the kit, you get one more bonus oil that I'm going to talk about, is frankincense. Frankincense we use for all things skin as well. I put it into my face serums. It helps support different fine lines and just makes everything, I feel like, have a little bit more of a glow. I love frankincense too. It's a very grounding oil emotionally, and it was given to baby Jesus at birth, which is really cool. So anytime I'm doing my devotions, I am usually diffusing it or practicing yoga in my home, just because it helps me feel grounded and makes me feel a little bit closer to God, which I really enjoy. So that's frankincense, and I like to add frankincense to a lot of my different roller blends because I feel like it has so many powerful benefits for your health and wellness overall. Just helps raise that frequency inside of your body, and it just, yeah, so I add it to everything, because why not add it to everything for an extra added bonus. And then your bonus oil is Stress Away, and this smells like heaven. It's probably going to become one of your favorite smells ever if you're anything like me. I love to, just if it has like vanilla hints and lime, oh my gosh, it makes you feel like you're on a tropical beach somewhere. It helps support those emotions, and as a busy mom of 3, I love Stress Away. It's in so many of my different rollers that I wear for perfume, that I keep in my car when my kids are going cuckoo, and this is diffusing almost all the time in our home too. I like this combo, Citrus Fresh and Stress Away. Oh, heavenly. So those are the oils that you get. In addition to that, I already talked about the household cleaner. You get a little roller ball to pop on top of any of these oils that say you really love Stress Away. You can pop the roller ball on, roll the oil straight onto you, which is awesome, and it comes with a cap for that. You get 2 packets of the Ningxia Red. It's an amazing antioxidant drink that has wolfberry and different adaptogens in it. There are endless testimonies with this stuff. I like to take it around 3 p.m. every day. I dilute it in some water with 2 drops of lemon oil and a drop of frankincense. It's an amazing pick-me-up and helps just support my energy levels with my little crazy kiddos running all around. So you get 2 packets of these, which they taste amazing. My body craves it. It's awesome. And then you get these little sample oil things if you wanted to give any to friends or travel with these. These are awesome that you can just fill with oils, and you get a little bit more resources. You get the catalog, which has all the products in it. We get everything from Young Living, you guys, like everything. Our toothpaste, our shampoo, our conditioner, all of my baby soap, baby products, all of my makeup that I'm wearing right now is their Savvy Minerals line, lotions, all our cleaning products, laundry soap, probiotics, supplements, you name it, they have everything. So it's a one-stop shop. And then the last thing that comes in your kit is a diffuser of choice. This is the Dewdrop, and this is the Desert Mist. I love both of them. They're both beautiful. We have both of them in our home, of course. And you get this at no additional charge. There are some other options if you want to increase the price a little bit. These are beautiful and do the job wonderfully though. So you get all of that, plus being plugged into our online support community on Facebook that shares with you how to use your oils. It walks you through step-by-step different ways, different roller blends, DIY recipes. You will never be left alone. You get all of that for $160, which is absolutely a steal in my opinion. I would have paid way more than that. So I hope this kind of gives you a little bit of insight into the starter kit, what comes in it. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. We can't wait for you to join our community and experience the amazing benefits of health, wellness, and everything beyond that that these oils will bring into your life. All right, have a fantastic day, you guys.